Hey, everybody, how was your 2025? Well, one of the things you might not have gotten to is developing your intuition, which is why I'm here in early 2026 to help you out. Hi, everybody, I'm Medium Brain and Russ. And my message to you is this is your year for growth, development. It's a 1 year. So, this is a way to kind of like step into something new, and using new techniques and new abilities is really what it's all about. Now, I've been teaching this class for over 15 years, give or take. I've probably taught it no less than 50 times in different aspects of it. And I've refined it to a point where I have taken the creme de la creme, the things that you absolutely need to know to build your intuition so that then you can have the tools that you need for better decision making, better professional valor, using your intuition in your line of work, whether you're a counselor, therapist, teacher, doctor, nurse, whatever, hairdresser, massage therapist, all sorts of things. You can use your intuition to help others. This is the perfect class series for you. Now, it takes 10 weeks. We start on January the 27th, which is a Tuesday, and we go for 10 weeks. It goes for about 2 hours each day. And by the way, if you miss a class, not a big deal. You're going to get the recording. But if you are there and you are participating, you're going to enjoy topics like understanding protections, understanding how to develop a mantra, how to work with crystals, how to understand your clairs, even kind of how you work. And we do this through exercises. We do these through class participations. We also talk about your spirit family, where we talk about your spirit guides, your angels, the ancestors, guardian angels, archangels, and of course, ascended masters. We talk about all of those things. We also touch on divination tools because while you're trying to figure it out, maybe you do work with tarot or dowsing rods or pendulums, but you'll also have an opportunity to work with psychometry and sacred geometry and that sort of thing. We also have a class on dreams as well, because I know that that is a key communication of your intuition as well. We have meditation exercises every week. These are meditations that I've been using and refined over the years. And these class exercises are really, really great. And as a group, you're going to be taking this class with other people from around the country and even around the world. We're going to do a remote viewing exercise that will actually capture your intuitive gifts. Now, mind you, this is designed so that then you can find your connection with your intuition so you can be better at who you are. All right, guys, listen, I'm going to give you guys a heart taps. Thanks for listening to me. If you sign up for the class before January the 4th, I'm going to give you a discount. After January 4th, well, the early bird, right? Listen, here's an opportunity. Send me a message. And by the way, I never turn anybody away. If you need to work out some sort of payment arrangement, just send me a message. We'll figure it out. On the other side of that, I can't wait to help you. Because if you're seeing this and you've stayed this long, it means there's something in it for you. Heart taps. Keep going.